Where are we today then?
We're in Hayling Island.
You know what? She's going to watch that back and go, oh my God, I'm so cringy. But yes, we are in Hayling Island. But yeah, we're in Hayling Island and she's going to cringe herself with that later and I'm going to laugh so hard. So still early around Funland. Not much open still. So, what are we doing? I'll have a look around Funland anyway. Let's have a look around the outside. See what's going on. While she goes and gets a parking ticket. Not parking ticket, what do you call them? What do you call these things? They ain't parking tickets, are they? Ticket for parking. I don't know. So, should we go and play some amusements quickly? Amusements. What's this place called? Amusements and Beachlands Cafe. Let's go and play some games, shall we?
Yeah. We should.
Play some games. I ain't got a cash. Do you reckon they'll have a machine in there?
They might do.
They'll have a machine in there.
Should do.
Beachlands Amusement and Cafe.
Adults only.
Adults only? Is it a strip bar?
Strip bar.
Strip bar. Do you know they've got a cash machine in there?
Maybe.
Let's get some cash.
Cash machines in the shops.
Oh, is it? Oh, over there.
We'll have a little look first. Huh?
Just go over there.
Oh, right.
Yeah, just go over there.
Oh, lovely.
Oh.
Just having a little look.
Oh, look at that great machine.
Pac-Man.
Pac-Man. Oh, wow. Let's go over the road and get some wong. Get some cash. That's some weird games. Oh, there we go.
Oh, wow. Never been there with a dog like that before.
Spooky, isn't it?
Yeah.
Oh, wow. Top here, right?
Overload, isn't it? It's dance machine!
They've got a dance machine for us. There we go. She likes the dance machine.
Very good with the dance machine. I want to ask him to turn it on.
Right, go on then.
So I've got to press the red button.
The classic 6 tester machine. It's obviously highly accurate.
He's turning around with a tart.
She's a tart. Even laughed at it. Laughed harder than I did.
Right, now you've got to do it. Hang on.
Right, it's my go. It's my go now.
You're a train spotter.
Machine's crap. Don't like that machine anymore. There she goes. I've got to sit here and watch her play this now. House of the Dead 4. So she's just done the old dance game. What do you call it?
Dance machine.
Dance machine. What's the proper name for the game?
It is dance machine.
It's just called dance machine.
It's like, yeah.
Well, that's a creative name
ones.
for it,
Dance.
isn't it?
Euro
Dance
mixed
machine.
stage, I think it was.
Right, so yeah. Let's have a look at Funland. It's very kiddie. Yeah, it's Funland now. It's a land of fun. For all your fun needs. Oh, it's a car park.
Yeah, you can go around it, can't you? It is that cat and mouse one, isn't it?
Yeah.
Goes well fast around the corner.
Yeah, these ones, I think they're gravity propelled, aren't they?
I'm not sure. I
Yeah.
just know they're really fun.
What are they?
Really fun.
Really fun?
Really fun.
Really fun.
It is when it swings you around the corner, you think, oh my god, I'm going to fall out.
Yeah,
fall off.
yeah, it's these corners, isn't it?
Yeah.
They proper chuck you around the tops of
Yeah.
them. Yeah, it looks a bit knackered, old Funland, to be honest with you. But
How much did it say it was for a ticket?
22 quid if you want to be there all day.
It's quite a lot, considering I think there's probably about 3 or 4 rides there for adultish.
Yeah. That is, what's that?
Steam train.
Steam train, a little railway at Hayling Island.
Railway.
Let's go and check this out, shall we? Ooh. Where are we going?
We'll go that way. You can go in. Oh.
Go, ooh. Are you going this way?
Yeah,
Run! Alright. In light railway, look. And it is. How much is it return?
£5 for an adult.
£5 a return for an adult.
Single's £3, so you may as well get a return for £2
Shall we have a look?
extra.
Let's have a look, shall we? It's quite a cool little station. That is the end of the line.
Cool. Morning, hello.
Morning.
How are you?
Good, thank you.
There's a shop.
Lovely day, isn't
I know, it's
Oh,
really
it is.
nice.
Oh, look, the
That's
old
really
trunks.
cool.
The old trunks. It's really cool.
Weird, isn't it?
Where's it going, do you reckon?
I don't know.
Oh, look.
Oh, wow.
Some train yard.
You know, to look.
I don't know, yeah, to look in here. Oh, yeah,
cool.
it's like an old train. Well, they keep the old trains there. You can smell the engines, oil and... Oh, wow.
I reckon it's only going to have to go like a bit like the one in Northampton. Just goes
Yeah,
up and down. I reckon.
Let's see outside a little train shed, yard, depot, whatever you want to call it. Oh, there's some of the old, they keep the old rocks for the tracks.
Oh, yeah.
They keep the rocks for the tracks. But yeah,
We did see the
great little railway.
train pass us as we was driving to park.
Yeah,
It did look pretty cool, didn't it?
did. Hayling Railway. So yeah, this is the other end. The end of the tracks.
A little hut. you can
Oh yeah, a
sit
little
in.
hut. You know, where you can inject your smack,
Don't
pipe
say
your
that.
pad or whatever.
Oh, lovely. That log food's been
Yeah.
for days though, isn't it?
It's a train.
Sorry.
As you can see, it's a thrilling ride, a white knuckle adventure on that train. As you can see, all the people screaming and shouting in hysterics at the thrill of the Hayling Railway. Right, you can go now. So, Hayling Island Beach. Oh, nice here.
Although it's very stony, it's not very
Stony,
sandy.
yeah, look at that. There's no sand really. It's like rocks and that.
Yeah.
Loads of rocks. They don't look nice, eh?
Yeah, it's not one of the ones that you'd want to walk on without any shoes.
Nah, that hurt.
When
you
I was
can
younger,
see,
Mum
I've
used to say to me, go, oh, as you walk across and it helps. I don't think it does. It's complete crap.
So, over there is Portsmouth. You can see the little tower thing. I don't know, what's the tower thing called?
Very cool building though.
Very cool building. We don't know what it's called. We'll find out later. We may just head off over to Portsmouth. And behind us is the railway. But yeah, this is the beach. Hayling Island. Ooh.
Oh my god.
You're going to stack
Look,
it.
look, I'm practically in the stones.
She's in the stones practically.
Oh my god.
That's really good. Here we are.
To our humble abode.
The room. It's a bit mouldy in here, actually, isn't
It's
it?
got a bit of a smell of damp.
So, this room in Langstone, is it Langstone?
Langstone Keys.
Langstone Keys Hotel. Smells a bit damp.
Does a little bit, actually.
Yeah, it smells a bit damp. So, this is the room. It's the right size, isn't it?
Yeah.
It's the right size.
Although, does that open
Mirror,
up
so I can look at myself.
room? What's in here? Is this someone
Little
else's
telly.
room?
Oh, this is a connected room. So there's one now.
Oh, I won't do it.
So that's the bed. Got some tissues by the side of the bed. What's going on here?
In case you have a
You got to check out the goodies. Galaxy hot chocolate. English breakfast tea. Has to be done. Has to be done. Peppermint tea. No, sack that off. Now, coffee bags. Rather than tea bags, there's coffee bags. This one is Café of London. Roasting coffee since... Oh, anyway. Colombian coffee. It's a bag of Colombian from London. And decaf. Who wants that? Let's look at the toilet to bathroom. Oh, where's the light? Is the light not on?
No, that's on that side.
Huh?
Outside the door.
Yeah. Don't put the key in.
Oh.
So you have to put a key in for the electric, like you have to do in most places. But someone didn't do it when they walked in the room. This one.
Oh. What? Where the fuck? Oh. How the fuck does it go in? There.
There we go. Toilet for all your poo-poo needs. Ones and twos. In the loo. This is a sink. There's like a hair in the sink, mate. You won't use a sink, look, but there's a hair in the sink. That's not good, is it, really? It's a shame being cleaned too well. A couple of whiskey glasses. Some white tea and jasmine hand wash. And some honey and mango body wash and shower gel. And the shower. You can say it's a little bit moulded out there, isn't it? What's that?
That's for what we can smell.
Yeah, because it does smell a bit stinky. And you can see there's some mould and whatnot up there. Yeah, so. Yeah, that's the bathroom. Eau de toilette, because there's an odour in there. But this is pretty snazzy for what you get. It's a Dyson fan. There you go. But yeah, that's the room. That's the room. Let's have a look at the menu.
The TV's in a really weird position, isn't it?
Yeah, the TV's a bit over there.
If you're laying in bed.
You think the most of the rooms we've been in recently have got great big tellies. That one's a bit minor, really. But yeah, let's take a little sample of the menu. So a steak sandwich, £15.95. Oh, king prawn linguine, £23.
God, that's expensive.
Have a laugh, mate. We went up a restaurant up the road, and how much was that seafood linguine at the inn?
In on the beach.
In on the beach was 16 quid. That was sea
£16.50.
bass, this, that, and the other. Good price. A beef burger, £18.95. And a sticky toffee.
Stiffy.
A stiffy. A sticky toffee pudding is £9.95.
Bloody hell.
So, in on the beach, the best thing there to eat was the seafood linguine, and that was like £17. Which sounded alright, but we're going to check that out. We're going to check out the ship, which is down the road as well, to have a look at and try and see which one we're going to eat at. So
Yeah.
we'll make a decision soon, and then we'll go and get eating. Right, so we booked some food to eat here at this place, in on the beach. But earlier, I watched some other bloke's YouTube video, and he said he went in there for coffee, he didn't like the vibe. So what we're going to do, we're going to have a bowl in there and have a little drink and see what the vibe is like, aren't we?
Yep, we're gonna scope it out.
We're gonna check the vibe. Check the vibe at in on the beach.
Got to check parking.
Oh, parking. Yeah, we've got to pay for parking. See how much a park is. Sometimes parking's extortionate.
£1.70 for 1 hour.
£1.71 hour, that's alright, really ain't too bad, I suppose.
£10.
So we're currently at West Beach. Pint of Guinness at the, what's this place?
In on the beach.
In on the beach. We might come here for food later. The idea was go somewhere where there's some seafood. And we thought this might be the one. But yeah, hopefully we'll come here later. We're gonna have to check it out. We'll have to check the menu out. Have you seen the menu yet?
Looked at it before coming. And it did look nice. The pictures look really nice.
So this is in on the beach in West Beach in Hayling Island. Look.
Bloody freezing. Goosebumps.
But yeah, it's very nice here. Very, very nice here.
The waves.
See the beach.
That's going quite far actually.
Yeah, the beach goes for a while. Goes quite far and there's a lot of people.
Freezing.
Yeah, you're freezing. Freezing up there. It's freezing. I won't give them my coat. Because I'm not a gentleman. A gentleman.
You're like a little gremlin when you done that then.
No one ever said I was a gentleman. I never claimed to be a gentleman. What are you having? We're just at on the beach.
In on the beach. I don't know actually. I think I would possibly have the same as you, which is the seafood linguine with haddock, sea bass, mussels and prawns.
And that's what, £16.75.
£16.50.
What are you drinking now?
Passion fruit cider.
I've got the old Guinness. So, a quick beer, in on the beach. Go back to the hotel room, get changed. And what other geezer said in his YouTube video, he said it was a bad vibe. I mean, there's a right vibe in there. What do you think?
I
Think the vibe was good?
Yeah.
I thought the vibe was good.
Didn't get a bad vibe from it, so.
Yeah, it was alright. It was alright. So we're going to decide whether we're going to eat here or the ship-in later. So we made it to the ship-in. What are we going to have?
So we're going to have the gilt and jilt head brie fillet of basil and pea orzo pasta with tomato and capers, although not of that, I don't think I'm going to be a fan of capers.
I don't like capers.
Roasted porchetta, a herb stuffed pork with garlic mashed potato, buttered savoy cabbage, maple roasted carrots and a side au jus.
Sounds alright, let's do it. Let's get this food ordered and we'll let you know what it's like. So, the food has come, look at this. That is a bream fillet. Bream fillet on a bed of
It was
risotto.
on basil and pea orzo pasta with tomato and capers.
Nice.
With a
And
little
this
balsamic
is
dressing. This is roasted porchetta, a herb stuffed pork with garlic mashed potato, buttered savoy cabbage, maple roasted carrots, and a side au jus. It looks banging, paired with
hungry man.
an Italian Pinot Grigio.
Italian Pinot Grigio 2023 because we like the modern wine. Because we know nothing about wine, that's right. Just come to ship in. We're finished now.
Freezing now.
It's quite cold. We had some sticky toffee pudding at the end of it. What was nice as well. Cold.
It is freezing, but it's
But
lovely.
yeah, it's amazing. Look at the view. So, yeah. So there's a marina nearby. And we're going to get some food from the marina, hopefully. So we're going to
Oh,
find.
it's a salt shack calf.
Oh, there we go.
Here.
Here we go. Salt Shack Calf. This we're going to go and try and get a little bit of munch. So here we go. We're going to go to this marina. This is North North Knee Marina, and we're going to go to this salt shack and get some food. So these are today's weather conditions. High tide 11:20, low tide 16:20.
4:20.
Easterly wind at force 3. Like we know what that means.
But a lot of people know what 4:20 means.
Yeah, probably right. These boats for sale is 24 grand, 24.99 or whatever it is.
24.99.
And this one's 21. Freya's £21,000. Freya's expensive. We've got another one here. This is £23,000.
That's more affordable. 20,000.
This one's £20,000. This blue one here. This one is £20,000. Look at this Sandpiper. Sandpiper is £35,000. Pocket money, mate.
I wish.
Had it?
Oh,
Yeah.
God, it'd be nice to have that.
There's a little
money
smaller
lying
one
around.
over there, 15 grand. That's more affordable.
Yeah.
That's actually affordable. You want a boat?
Come buy it from here.
Come buy one from here. They've got loads of them lined up.
JK Marina.
JK Marina, look. They're the ones for sale. Look at that.
They're just peaceful, aren't they?
Marinas are peaceful. Is the cafe open? As I'm going to starve.
Doesn't actually look like it, does it?
I don't know. Is it open?
Not sure. No.
Oh no. No, we come to the salt shack. Can't tell you what it's like to eat in there because
It's closed.
it ain't open. Hayling Nature Reserve. It's really windy. It's actually freezing.
Really windy.
But it's very nice. You can see there's someone fishing over there, which is cool. So let's have a wander. You haven't got to pay to park. The only deal is you've got to leave within 24 hours. Seems like a bargain price to me, mate.